Today we're making a breakfast casserole. So let's get started. For our breakfast casserole, we are going to need a package of bacon, frozen hash browns, salt, pepper, garlic, onions, paprika, some shredded cheese, some milk, and eggs. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to chop up our bacon. So get our package opened up here. And we've got our oven heating up to 350 for when we get this ready. So get this all chopped up, and then we're going to get over to the stove and cook it up. Come on. Alright, so we've got our bacon all chopped up, and once again, whenever working with raw meat, we need to remember that we need to wash our hands after we're done. So let's get over to the stove and let's get this bacon cooked up. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got our pan heated up, so now we are going to add in our chopped bacon. And we are going to cook this down till it's nice and crispy. So this is going to take about 5 or 10 minutes. So once we get this done, we'll be right back and continue building our breakfast casserole. So see y'all shortly. Okay, so our bacon is done. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our package of frozen hash browns. And I'm going to dump those into a large bowl. And then to that we are going to add our seasoning, which is a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder and paprika. So we're going to dump that in there. Give that a quick toss. Make sure that gets evenly distributed. And also we're going to break up still any chunks of the frozen hash browns. Alright, and to that we are going to add in 1.5 cups of our shredded cheese and give that a toss. And then now we're going to add in our package of bacon, which we pulled off and let cooled. Pulled off the pot and let cool, and we're going to give that a toss. Good. So now we are going to get us a large baking dish. Then to that we're going to add about 1/4 cup of the bacon grease. And we're going to get all sides. Alright. So now we're going to add our hash brown mixture to the pan and spread that out. So Now we need to get our eggs ready, so I'm going to set this to the side, get prepped up, and be right back. Alright, so we are going to take 8 eggs. And put those in a large bowl. You need to watch and make sure we don't get any shells in here. Alright, so we've got our eggs cracked. And to this we are going to add 2 cups of milk. And we're going to give this a good whisk. Make sure the eggs and the milk are evenly combined. And then we're going to take this and pour this over our hash brown potatoes mixture. Make sure it's evenly soaked up. And then we are going to add the last half a cup of cheese. And if you want, you can add more. And now we're going to pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. So let me get this in the oven and then we'll be back in a little bit. Bye. All right, so this has been going for about 40 minutes, so we're going to check it and look. All right, perfect. Eggs are no longer runny. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to put this back in and we're going to put this on broil for about a minute and then we're going to serve this up. So be back here in a little bit. All right, so we pulled this out the oven and broiled it for about 1 minute to get it nice and golden brown on the top. So we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then serve it up for breakfast. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And till next time, enjoy.